I decided to sell my house because my husband passed away a few years ago, and we stayed there a little while, and then we were just ready to go. It was too much money to maintain, and we just needed a fresh start. And I found your company amazing, amazing from start to finish. I found you online, and I had a lot of people coming after me with, promises and, a whole bunch of, and you guys were honest, straightforward, and you walked me through everything, and it couldn't have been easier. Template was perfect. Everything was done perfectly, professionally. I was able to call whenever I had a question. It was always, either picked up or answered or called back within minutes. Template was excellent, very professional, and I would have never been able to get through this process. I'm a widow. I would have never gotten through this process without Templar. I've already told a bunch of my friends about Templar, and a lot of them are going to be calling.